皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。前回のレッスンビデオはどうでしたか？ How was the previous lesson video? Did you learn counters? This time, let's practice a listening exercise. It's important to practice and then get used to the how the native speaker speaks. So I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos. So if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. This time, let's practice a listening exercise. It's important to practice and then get used to the how the native speaker speaks. I will share the screen on the sentence so we can practice. Your job is you see the sentences, 4 sentences, and then there's some blank here. So I want you to listen carefully, then fill in what I said. If you have a piece of paper, you just write it down. Okay, so pay attention how many I said. 1番、友達はバナナを4本買いました。2番、私は3台のパソコンモニターを持っている。3番、大人2枚と子供1枚のチケットください。4番、この申込書をコピーしてください。Okay, so did you catch that? So I said 1番は友達はバナナを4本。So 4本ね。4、I will write it down as a pronounce purpose. 4本買いました。So that means 4 is 4. 本 is counter for long object. Because banana is long shape. So we will count 4本買いました。Next is 私は3台。I said 3台。3台。3台 means 3. Then 台 is counter for equipment. So パソコン monitor. Monitor is like a computer monitor ね。で、持っている。This kanji is 持っている means I own 3 monitors. Okay. The next one, number 3. 大人。大人 means adult. Then I said 2枚。Then と。This to is connection and ね。1枚、子供1枚。So maybe this is a situation you go amusement park or maybe some play area or movies. You can order the ticket. Ticket is in katakana ticket. So this means 大人2枚と means the first sentence, first second is so second half is 大人2枚 adult 2. So this basically my is counter for ticket because the ticket is a flat object, so we counted the my. 大人2枚 then this to means and two, so simply 2 adults and 1 child. 子供 means a child. Then ください means can I get or please give me くださいね. So it's a useful phrase when you go to those ticket counter. You can use this phrase. Then last one, maybe it might be a little bit tricky. この申込書。この means this. で、申込書 means application form. So it's form to fill in something to apply. Then I said 7枚. So 7枚ね。7枚。7ね。7コピーしてください。So make a copy. Please make a copy of this application form. That's the meaning. So that's the 4 sentences. Did you catch the quantity? Let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. 友達はバナナを4本買いました。Good. 私は3台のパソコンモニターを持っている。 大人2枚と子供1枚のチケットください。この申込書を7枚コピーしてください。はい。OK。じゃあ今日のレッスンはここまでです。So that's for today. Count is a big topic, so along the way, time to time, I introduce more other things. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps. もしもっと学びたかったら、私のオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to learn and if you'd like to enhance your learning or have more questions, please consider to enroll in my online courses, and then you can ask questions related to Japanese. I'll see you in the next video. それではまた次のレッスンでお会いしましょう。さようなら。